Ikaw, ano masasabi mo? Ikaw, ano masasabi mo? Ano masasabi mo? So, have you watched Made in Malacca? So, my God. Guys, I welcome to my channel. So we're waiting for my turn. The showing is 4:30.
4:30, yeah. 4:30.
What's the showing?
It's 4:30.
Yeah, guys, he's very accommodating. One staff here in Empire Cinema. So this is the from Empire Cinema.
Nice.
Very kind and
Thank you,
accommodating. Ayan guys, so let's watch Made in Malacanang later on. See you later. Bye. Guys, parang tinatawag ako ng Foot Locker. Ayan siya oh. Ayan yung mga shoes dyan. Shout out to you Marisol Dayap. Tingnan ko lang mamaya dyan ha. Hi guys! Nasa Dunkin Donut muna kami while waiting for Made in Malacanang yung oras ng aming panunood. So, kain muna akong choco butternut. At syempre, I have this coffee latte. May gwapo sa counter. Yan o. Yung araw, hindi sa akin. Ayan guys, so habang inaantay namin yung oras ng movie, ikot-ikot muna kami dito sa Foot Locker. Tingin-tingin tayo ng shoes. Baka may magustuhan. Saan ba yung mga babae dito? Ay, bakit na sila? Gwapo-gwapo naman yun. This is Dunkin Donut, guys. Ayun na guys, on the way na kami doon sa Empire Cinema. It's already 4 o'clock na. So 4:30 yung showing ng Made in Malacanang. So excited na ako guys. So magko-comment ako mamaya kung ano ang talagang buod ng istorya ng Made in Malacanang. Ganun. Guys, nandito na po kami sa Empire Cinema. Ayan, so wait lang kami kasi meron pa kami 30 minutes, no? Bago pumasok kasi bawal po. Stop. Excited na. Papunta na kami sa doon ng sinihan. Sa Cinema 7 kami. Guys, nauna kami. Wala pa masyadong tao. Doon tayo sa taas. Ayan. Finish?
Not same?
Oh, di ba guys? Guys, nasa loob na kami ng theater. Excited lang talaga kami to watch. So, ayan. Nauna kami, early board. Sabi nga, mas maganda, mas maaga, mas maganda, di ba? Ayun, tapos na po ang palabas. So, have you watched Made in Malacanang? Ha? You don't watch? Why? Charot-charot lang guys. Pinagtripan ko lang yung mga staff ng sinihan. Hindi nila alam. Ayan. So, mamaya ko ikikwento yung buod ng aming napanood. Okay. Look at guys. Oh, ayan. Ano yung mga abot na?
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want.
From Hardee's. Masarap guys, matataba yung price nila. Nakatayo na lang ako guys dito sa lamesa dahil gutom na talaga ako. At meron dito yung isang bata. Nasa gilid na kulit. Ayaw naman yung kumain. Hindi ako makain ito. Kaya sa tayo ito.
Kasama niya ang pusa niyang hyper. Biruin mo naman ito ay love na love niya sa lahat ng content.
So ayun guys, naglakad na lang ako going to laundry. Malapit lang naman siya guys. kabilang kanto lang sa aking apartment. Kaya ito, naglalakad na ako guys. Puntang laundry shop.
Sa sobra mong ganda, biruin mo naman lahat kami ng panganga.
Diyos ko, akala ko maaabutan ako ng prayer time guys. Hello my dear.
Kaya pinag-YouTuber
For
sa kanya na
pantalon.
sumama. Garantisado na ng dami pa ang liwanada. Meron pa ng premyo.
How are you?
Ihanda mo na ang chiki mo, baka
Purchase your
ipanalo.
tracks today.
Discount na.
JR in heaven, Stevie tayo na sa kasa.
Tomorrow. Same time. 12 reals. Okay, thank you very much. So I will just come back tomorrow. Bye.
The next day.
Guys, kukunin ko na yung pinalaundry ko kahapon. Yung mga pantalon. So ayun na guys, galing akong work at dinaanan ko na yung pinalaundry ko kahapon. Ayan, so ito na, malinis na ang ating mga pantalon. Ang init sa labas guys, parang humid. Ayun. So nakuha ko na yung pinalaundry natin. At malinis na siya, planchado na siya guys. So ganun lang yun. Minsan guys, pag tinatamad ako, nagpapalaundry na lang ako. Like yung ganun.